Welcome everyone. I have an exciting announcement. Microsoft recently announced several updates to its Office 365 integration with Canvas, and one of those is that you can create an assignment using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, send that to students. They will receive a copy automatically through Canvas. They can then edit that and submit it back entirely through Canvas. Exciting new update from Microsoft, and let's take a look at how this is going to work in your Canvas course. You can see that I'm in my demo course. I'm going to navigate to modules. Of course, there are any number of ways to create assignments. I'm going to create mine through a module. I'm going to select the plus button. I'm going to create a new assignment, and I'm going to give that the name of Office 365 LTI, which is the official name of the upgrade, and I'm going to select Add Item. And of course, that will be added at the bottom of the module. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the top just for demonstration purposes here. And I'm going to open this assignment up. At this point, I have the ability to edit the assignment, and my instructions, any information is going to go right here. So maybe I have my instructions here. Maybe I have an example or resources or whatever I want to do. Of course, this is the space where you're going to edit your assignment. This is going to look a little bit different for everyone, but let's give this a heading right here to follow some ideas of what might set this out. So please complete the attached document and submit. And then, of course, I could enter resources here if I would like. I scroll down and I can assign the point value. I can choose the category. So let's say it's classwork. Make this worth 5 points. Under my submission type, this is the most important step right here. You are going to select External Tool. You're going to select External Tool, and then you're going to select Find right here. You have a number of options, and those of you that have used the Google LTI are familiar with this process, but we're now looking for the Microsoft. And right now, notice you have two Microsofts. You have the Office 365 Cloud assignment, but we're looking for the Microsoft OneDrive. This is the new enhancement, and we're going to select that. It will then pull up the files that are in your Microsoft account. The very first time you use it, you will have to sign into your Microsoft account using your school email and password, of course. And I can resize that window right here. My files are located in a folder, I believe, called Canvas Assignments. And there we go, LTI example. So I'm going to click right here. This is a very simple assignment. So I'm going to select this one right here, and I'm going to select Attach. It will take us a moment to upload that file. And once it does, you will receive confirmation that you have successfully uploaded the file, and then it will take you back. And again, you need to wait a moment for that. It looks like nothing has happened, but right now you're going to choose Select. And once you have done that, you'll return back here. Again, it looks like nothing has happened, but you will notice that in this external URL right here, you now have a link, and that is what we just created. You can, of course, choose to sync this to Skyward if you would like, and you can choose a due date. So let's just make this due on Friday. And then I can hit Save or Save and Publish. So I'm going to hit Save and Publish. And notice that I now see the ability to open this window right here. And even if I click that as an instructor, I'm not going to get the same view that a student would see. You can see it's going to load the file, but obviously this is the file that was in my OneDrive originally. So I'm just going to see that as I would see the OneDrive file. We realize that as an instructor, you can't see what a student is going to actually see because the assignment is tied to their Microsoft account. So let's go to a student view here. I'm going to click on Modules, and from there I'm going to click on the Office 365 LTI example. And once I do that, again, notice I would see any instructions or resources here, and I would click to load this in a new window. And it would take just a moment to do that. The file will load. And now notice I have the ability to edit the document. It creates a copy for each student individually. So I can select Edit Document. I can also submit the assignment right here within Canvas. So it opens that up. I have the ability to edit. I can type in my answers, and say I want to do this. Let's answer the first question. Say I want to change the font so it stands out a little bit, that I answered that. And then I simply need to come back here as a student. I may want to refresh that to make sure that my answers are there. And now I can click Submit Assignment. And the assignment will be submitted to the teacher, all of that occurring through the Canvas OneDrive integration. If you have any questions about that, please let me know.